Hi you guys, this is your girl Shauna coming back with another video. And as you guys can see in the title, this is going to be just an update on the hair that I'm wearing, which is by Namaru Raw Virgin Hair. So if you guys want to know more about this, just keep on watching. Make sure you guys are subscribing, liking this video, and giving it a thumbs up. And we're just going to go ahead and jump right in. So this is the hair that currently I am wearing in my head. I want to come and show y'all the install because I did state that I would come back after I did the unboxing showing y'all the hair, that I would do the install. So this is the hair and it is very beautiful. As y'all can see, my stylist she did a middle part, so, and she left a lot of my and I'm gonna look up for a minute, you guys, a lot of my perimeter out so I could put my hair in a bun. It's hot, it's Florida, I don't like my hair to be everywhere, so it's in a bun right now, which is really cute. I have in 3 bundles. I have in the 24, the 22, and the 20. The hair is pretty thick from root to tip. As I stated before in that video, I'll link it in the description box below. We didn't get all 4 bundles in. Now, last time we did, and I think that's because I was doing a side part, which I installed this on Thursday, the day after, I want to say Valentine's Day. I had it installed. Is sew in. This is my leave out, so no closure. When she sewed it in, she sewed the wefts tightly together. If that makes sense. She sewed the wefts tightly together, so yeah, we were only able to get 3, and the hair was really thick, like really thick. The other bundle, which was 18, I gave to her because I told her she could have it because I didn't need it. I know y'all probably like, you giving away bundles? I know, right? So yeah, but I'm the type, I like 4 bundles in my hair. I like my hair to be full. Even though I have a small hair, I just like a head full of hair. So you can get away with 3 bundles with this hair if you're doing longer lengths, because the hair is full from root to tip. I do wash the hair weekly. Even though I don't put really anything in it, but I do like to keep it washed and my, everything the hair moisturized. I do take some of the Paul Mitchell serum after I wash it, and I put dime size in the palm of my hand, and I put it through the hair while it's wet, and then I comb the hair out with a wide tooth comb, and then I let the hair air dry. That's all I do weekly. I know I know some people don't wash their hair weekly, but I do because it's installed so in my hair. So yeah. How I do my leave out. So I might do a separate video about that, but I'm gonna just tell y'all really quickly how I do my leave out to make everything look natural. Now, my stylist did show me how to do this, so to each his own. So this may work for you, it may not, depends on your hair type. So for me, I use and I'm gonna look up again, the Nairobi right here, foaming, wrap foaming lotion. I put this all on my leave out, as y'all can see, and then I take the Gots to Be Glued, the yellow tube, and I take that and then I put that on my leave out as well, and then I tie my hair down with a black scarf. Now, I typically do that the day of, like if I'm going out. At night, I just do this, and I put the wrap over it, scarf over it, and I lay it down. And this is just with the foaming lotion. So I didn't put any Gots to Be Glued. This is just with the foaming lotion. What was the other thing? Now, I do relax my leave out. The reason being, you guys, I know I might get a lot of mess for this, but I relax my leave out, and only my leave out. I don't relax my whole entire hair because my hair is, I don't know what type of hair I have, but I have some difficult thick, beautiful hair, and it will not lay. So when I'm doing installs, because I don't wear frontals, and lace fronts and all of that. I don't do that. I believe in just wearing my leave out because it's so much, it's so natural, and it's easier, you guys, it's easier to deal with, to be honest with you. No shade, nobody that wear no frontals, but for me it's easier. So with that being said, I do minimal leave out. So typically if I'm not gonna wear my hair up, I won't have her put this out, but I do that all the time for my installs because when I don't want my hair to be down all the time. I want to be able to do a bun, a ponytail, and this is really cute. Like tomorrow I'm gonna wear my hair like this because it's just simple. I want to be able to do different things with my hair, so that's why I do why I leave my leave out. Y'all, I just lost my train of thought. That's why I go ahead and perm my leave out. So yes, but I typically use this at night. I do not use Gots to Be Glued all the time. When I use Gots to Be Glued, I typically do that the day of, and that lasts me until my wash day. And then I won't put any back in my hair unless I'm doing something special. But you can use this, put this on your hair the night of, the night before, the day of. Put a scarf wherever you're trying to go, and this will lay your hair. Now what I do after on wash day for my leave out, because again, I like, as you guys can see, I'm gonna show y'all, it's blended. Everything is blended in. As you can see, you can't tell where my hair is. You really can't tell. So what I do after wash day, after my hair has before my hair is fully dry, I put this on my leave out. I put it on my edges everywhere, and I just smooth it down with my hands. After that, I put I take my scarf and I put my scarf on, and I, not too tight because you get a headache that way, but I put it on and I do a little bow in the front, and then that's how I leave it. I will leave that scarf on a whole day, the whole next day. I will leave that scarf on the entire week if I have to, if I'm not doing anything with my hair. So when I did wash day was a few days ago, I laid my hair. This is from 2 days ago, and mind you, I didn't even take this off until today when I was doing this video. So this will lay your hair. If you are not if you don't relax your leave out during installs, and you do leave out and you do your natural hair, this will work too. Okay, I did also get a new flat iron that I use to kind of get my roots. I'll link that in the description box below. That helps as well. But this will, if you do this with your, like, if you lay your hair with this stuff when on wash day, you will have no issues with your leave out, I promise you. And then once you take the scarf off, it's already laid. All you have to do is put a tad bit of Gots to Be Glued in the yellow tube, just a little bit on your edges, and it will lay it. I promise you. It has worked for me, and when my stylist told me that's what you do, I was like in for it. Ever since then, I ain't bought no more edge control. So that's what works for me, and that's how I keep my installs looking nice for a whole month. The only reason I'm not keeping my install in for like 3 months like I normally do, y'all know how I do if y'all look at previous videos, is because I want to just have different textures in my hair throughout the year. I'm trying to get back into the whole thing, just so my natural hair can grow. So yeah, I'm going to be getting some curly hair, so stay tuned for that. And I'm probably going to be ordering from Namaru. I'll let you guys know once I get ready to actually make the purchase. I'll hop on and do a video and let y'all know the deets. But make sure y'all check them out. Their prices are really affordable. They have great hair. I still have hair from the previous install before this one that I still have. So this hair will last you a long time. I'm probably gonna, my next install, with this hair, I'm probably gonna color it. So I don't know. But other than that, you guys, that's going to be it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I'm hopefully going to have these videos uploaded by Sunday or tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow I have them uploaded for you guys, because I know y'all love these videos that I put out. So remember, once we get 100 subscribers, I'm doing a major giveaway. I will start to tell you guys about more about it. We're not there yet. So make sure you guys are sharing these videos, liking them, giving them a thumbs up. And it's going to be a video with me and Bae. So stay tuned for that. She's finally ready to hop on camera and say hey to you guys. I know y'all were like, who is this Bae? Who is this girl? If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all have already seen her. And my Instagram is makeupaddict42. And make sure you guys are following me for more of these looks. That's going to be it, you guys. Till next time. Toodles.